Ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving on to the next session, which is on Quantum for Advanced Manufacturing and Industry 4.0. I would now like to request the panelists of this session to kindly join us on stage. Mr. Sunil David, Mr. Ravi Shankar Rai, Mr. Mombaswala Mohammad Saeed, Mr. Biswajit Bhattacharya, Dr. Gayatri H.N., and Mr. Anshul Gupta.
Before we move to the discussion, I just would request each of the five speakers, starting with Mr. Anshul, to just take about 30 seconds to introduce himself, and we'll follow with the other panelists. Just 30 seconds to please introduce yourself, and then we'll start. Go ahead, sir. Thanks, Ravi.
Hi, I'm Ravi Shankar Rai, founder member of Savitri Group. We started in '99. So we are 26-year-old, rather than old, we should say 26-year young startup. And we are into multiple business lines covering complete portfolio of technology in product, services, and solution. Thank you very much.
Ravi, Savitri Group, your interests are across multiple domains, right? Telecom, technology, test and measurement, manufacturing and engineering services. So my question to you is, where do you see real viable opportunities for manufacturing, Ravi, as far as quantum is concerned?
So I'll talk about a lot of education and awareness is being done by CII and other conference, seminar, and exhibition organization in India on quantum computing systems. So basically, we all are aware about the technology. Technology will solve the problem of supply chain logistic, multiple complex issue optimization, and this will solve problem which is not being handled by classical computers. Most importantly, availability of quantum computers. There are very few quantum computers available in India, and the best way to use is through cloud services. So we have to ensure that services are available to academia, industry, at SME, MSME at economical cost. Next, if we come out skill set, we should have a skill set on quantum computing. A lot of work is to be done by engineering, academia and industry, school, college, universities. They have to do a lot of work for developing a skill set, skill engineer on technology. Integration with 4.0 application is also we have to solve the problem of address the issue of latency in qubit to solve these issues to mature the technology with industry 4.0 integration. So lot of things need to be taken care. We'll discuss further. Thank you.
Thanks, Ravi. Okay, we finished first round and we come to the second and last round before we open it up for questions. I'm going to come to Ravi next. And Ravi, just wanted you to share your views.
So I agree with Mumba. He said a lot of things about this quantum computing. So we should address latency issue and qubit issue in quantum for maturing this technology. Secondly, standardization is very important. We should work on standardization. We are using ion system and cryogenic system both in quantum. I am not expert on quantum, so I cannot comment on that, which technology should be best. But we should work on standardization. Secondly, we all know that Indian telecom revolution happened in mid-90s. And we started a race, we started using multiple technologies, GSM, CDMA, WiMAX. And we know the disaster happened. Lot of big company, including they adopted CDMA, including Reliance Communication, Tata Indicom, BSNL, MTS, Sam Systema, collapsed. So creating race is not a very good thing. So we should work on one technology and popularize it. Biswajit was saying he's from IBM. So we remember we studied that IBM PC with standardized software has revolutionized computer industries. So we should work on standardization. Secondly, we are having Maharatna, Navratna, Mini Ratna. Those are central PSU. I have seen, we all know that oil, gas, all the top 10 in this sector are oil, gas, and power sectors. we are not having any technology sector PSU in Maharatna. So, and we are not, it is not our lack or failure. We are sitting here, I have asked many people in last 5-10 years this question, which was the first PSU in India? So very few people know, because people may say that it is a food sector, oil sector, power sector, but no, it is a technology sector. First PSU is ITI, which was formed in 1948 in technology sector. So we can imagine what was the vision of our country to build technology in India. And way back in 80, we were making digital electronic exchange E10B, OCB 283 in India very much. Today we are struggling to do any kind of manufacturing make in India or any kind of switch manufacturing, but we are back in, we were making this technology. Secondly, we talk about digital infrastructure. We should not create a race of digital infrastructure. I have been talking since last 10 years regularly that infrastructure has to be stable, secure, and scalable. Entire world is testing 800G or about to test 800G network. We are struggling for 10G, 100G. I have not seen any 400G network being tested in India, or we have tested 1 or 2 network, but still we are struggling. So creating a race is not very good things. If we create a race to develop expressway, highway within 1 year, within 2 years, then we'll have a result. Not positive, it will be negative result. So we should think all those things, we should take all those parameters in consideration. Standardization is very much important in quantum as well. Secondly, my last word, we have seen all these disasters, including which I mentioned about CDMA, GSM, WiMAX. We should not be used as a global technology dustbin for entire world. We should be used as a technological advanced country. Thank you very much.
Great points, Ravi. Thanks for sharing.